Dude. Oh.
You're not keeping it, right?
All right, I'm going.
It's like the YouTuber. Is that your GoPro? Is that my GoPro? Let's go. Good Chelsea. Especially for the crowd. Well,
Ready?
Yeah.
Do I have a second?
Ryan finishes with 31.247. Very good.
And that wasn't me being ready either.
No, yeah, you had a cone too, like the, oh my god. 28.9.
That was decent for a first run.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, my god. Wow.
Button.
Yeah,
It has that effect on people.
that was crazy. Oh my god.
I was like, fuck, I didn't put my, like, I didn't tighten my seatbelt or anything, so I was like,